Hello and welcome to my Pentart Playbook series. I'm Shannon from Pick and Booze Vintage, and what I'm going to do is each month I'm going to show you a different set of Pentart products and describe how to use them. Now, the Pentart Grass Effect is very similar to the moss, but it's going to be in a grass color. You can actually add that to the moss if you want to have some of that bright color, but if you don't, you can apply it with a palette knife. You can apply it with a brush or whatever. But I'm going to show you how to do it with a palette knife because we're going to just add some to this little bunny here. We're just going to put some like Easter bunny grass or Easter grass. You can play with it just like any other paste. You can layer it. Okay, so it's on pretty thick here. Now we're going to heat it up. So the thicker you put it on, the thicker your bubbles and your cracks and your texture is going to be. See those bubbles happening right there? Look at that. You can do the same thing with the moss effect. So there you have it. There is the grass. Now you could actually accentuate the grass again with the paints, but we'll do it with the wax paste just so you can see the difference. And we're going to just use the gold. And I'm just going to lightly oops, that was still a little bit wet there. So make sure your paste is dry before you put the wax paste on, but you get the idea. Isn't that beautiful? So we have the wax paste on top of the grass, and then we have the moss effect paste over here.